Hello, everyone. My name is Kristen Allen. I'm the Outreach Coordinator for the Dixon Gallery and Gardens. Today I'm joined by my friend and coworker, Danielle Sumler.
Hey.
And we thought it would be fun if we did a permanent collection sketching challenge today. So we have a few portraits from our permanent collection at the Dixon. We're going to take some time sketching them. We'll do a 30-second sketch, a 1-minute sketch, a 2-minute sketch, and a 5-minute sketch. So we'd love for you to sketch along with us. So just grab whatever you want to sketch with today, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with just a 30-second sketch here. This is one of my favorite paintings. It's called Genevieve in a Red Sweater, and it's in our permanent collection at the Dixon. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, time. 30 seconds goes fast. All right. Okay, so for this next one, this is by Jean-Louis Ferran, and it's a portrait of a man. So we're going to take a full minute to sketch from this one. So I'll make my screen a little bigger. I'm going to set my timer here. All right, everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, go. A minute feels a lot longer. All right, that's time. I got quite a bit farther with that one.
I did too. It did feel so much longer. That was really strange.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so for this next one, we're going to take 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to head on to the next slide here. So we're going to take 2 minutes. This one is Study of a Man's Head for the Vicksburg Mural. So I liked this one because it was very sketchy, and I felt like it would lend itself well to just a 2-minute quick
This one's
sketch.
detailed. I like it.
Yeah, this one's one of my favorites. All right, in 3, 2, 1, go. right, that's time. I don't feel like I got as far as I expected to get with that one.
Yeah, I think I slowed down a lot thinking it would feel longer like the 1 minute did, and it just didn't do well for me to slow down like that. But
This is a good exercise for sure.
yeah,
And I also felt like I really struggled a lot more with the position of that one. So it was kind of a tricky, like 3/4 view, a little bit tricky. Okay, so we're gonna do one more. This one is gonna be a 5-minute sketch. So this one's gonna be the longest one. This one is Russian model.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
right, that's the time. I even had a little bit of time to add some color on that one.
Yeah, I started adding some shading.
Cool. All right.
That was fun.
That was fun. I feel like that's a really good way to sort of warm up in your studio practice. So before you're like making a piece, kind of helps like get you used to working really gesturally and not taking anything too seriously. And like not all of the sketches that I ended up with am I happy with, but like they're all a starting point. I could go back and add to them, or it might like get me in the frame of mind to make something of my own. So I always feel like it's good to look at what other people have made and get inspired.
Yeah, and like you said, it takes the pressure off. Like I'm not as worried about what that end product looks like as if I were making something from my head, you know?
For sure. So we hope that you guys enjoyed watching us sketch. We hope that you sketch too. If you want to share your sketches, you can always use the hashtag Dixon at home and use it on Instagram or on Facebook and share what you've made. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you have a great day and we'll see you again really soon. Bye.